Welcome to today's show. I'm Jessica Mindy, and today we're going to taste test which of these 7 brands comes out on top when tested by my Italian Nonna, my American husband, and my 5-year-old spaghetti enthusiast son. This will be a blind taste testing, and I'm super interested to see if my Nonna, a die-hard Barilla fan, will still choose this one in the midst of some pretty great options. I went to the local Conad grocery store and grabbed several packs of spaghetti from some of Italy's top pasta brands. Just to make things interesting, I threw in 1 pack of artisan pasta and a pack of the basic store brand. Alright, now we're going to introduce our contestants. First up, we have my personal favorite, the American.
Yes.
Okay, so I've boiled each pasta according to what their package recommends, and then I just sauteed them all in the same butter, one at a time. And for our first round, we're going to start with the most expensive brand, the cheapest brand, and the most beloved brand, Barilla.
All right, so to start my test, in true Andrew fashion of being really analytical and methodical. Full disclaimer, I'm not a professional pasta taster. I don't know how they grade and test pasta in the professional world. I'm going off of years of pasta eating and what I think tastes the best, my preference. So what I'm looking for in particular, be grading it on its texture, its overall taste, and its density. So how the noodle chews, which all depends on how it's cooked. So starting with number 1. So number 2. So after completing the first round, 3 is probably my favorite and leading the way right now.
Next up, these 2 were the exact same price.
All right, for round 2, here we go. This round was a little bit tougher to judge, but I would have to say number 5 would be the pick going forward.
And now for our last round.
And the last 2.
The final judgment is, you'll have to wait till the end to see which one you picked. But while you are waiting for our next contestant to get into place, go ahead and like and subscribe so you can find more fun things that we're doing. And get ready for our connoisseur, meaning he only has 2 rounds because he is such a spaghetti enthusiast.
Number 2. Number 5 was the winner.
And now for the star of the show, Nonna Carmela. Vabbè, assaggia questi 3 e dici il tuo preferito.
Posso assaggiare?
Sì?
Quando l'hai messi qua? Mi stai tirando. Questo no, questo è il 2.
E quale?
quasi uguali. Uno deve essere il barile e l'altra qualità.
Quello è tuo preferito, 1, 2, 3.
No, no, questo no. Uno dei due.
2. Vabbè. Ancora 2. Qual è il più delizioso? No.
Non sono tutte e due che mi piacciono.
Qual è il preferito? Perché?
Questo qua, il budino.
Questo qua. Vabbè.
Tengo fame.
Vabbè.
Sai che è buono pure a mangiare. Si sa. Oh, ma qualche forchetta c'è da mettere qua. Un po' questo è un po' più duro.
And now for the grand reveal. Go ahead and uncover your choice.
Sbagliato come fa? È come la questa cosa. È uguale.
There you have it. So here are our winning brands, and we got to get something new for Nonna. We picked our beloved one, and we have Leo's favorite. So if you have a favorite pasta brand, go ahead and let us know down in the comments. Have you tried any of these? And what do you prefer? Check us out in the next video. Bye.